29 plus years of trust, we began with one mission: to build machines that build businesses. Karmyog Hi-Tech Machineries, a brand known for manufacturing of fly ash bricks, paver blocks and concrete block making automatic machines. This is our automatic plant, engineered with precision for unmatched output and accuracy. A technology proudly developed in India. Today, 600 plus Karmyog machines run every single day. It is KHM-180. Production capacity is 15 bricks per stroke and 3,600 bricks per hour. Key features: heavy-duty structure for long-term durability, advanced vibration technology for uniform brick strength, high-efficiency hydraulic system for smooth, powerful operation, accurate PLC-controlled automation for consistent quality, optimized material feeding and compaction for perfect brick dimensions, low maintenance design to minimize downtime. Across the country, many of our machines have been running for 10 to 12 years, and even after a decade, they perform with the same strength and consistency. Karmyog Hi-Tech Machineries, trusted by India since 1996.